So what exactly is the induction problem for syntactic islands? And the idea is really simple. Again, with induction problems, it's simply that the data you encounter are compatible with more than one hypothesis for what the right answer is. And so you have to figure out which one that is, even though the data don't tell you definitively which of those it actually is. So if we're thinking about this for syntactic islands, and in particular, really focusing on it with respect to WH questions, right? So the WH questions that children encounter in their input are usually fairly simple. So these are things like, what did you see, or what happened? Very short. These are, in fact, the two most common dependencies that they'll encounter, which will account for like 90% of English kids' input, right? That's what you see. That's what you have to make your generalizations on. And so then the problem is that you have to know how far to generalize, right? Like, is the right answer one that includes these? Who did Jack think that Lily saw? What did Jack think happened? All the things that are actually allowed in English. How do you get to that generalization and not go astray and include things like syntactic islands, right? Which might also seem completely reasonable given the input that you actually encountered, right? That is the induction problem.